In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Color Widget app on the new iOS 14 update. And as we all know, in this new update, you can add widgets and do a lot of cool different stuff with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this app right here, Color Widgets. You can easily just download it on the App Store, as you can see right here. And yeah, let's get started. So just open the app up and you can already see lots and lots of different type of widgets, and you can choose any widget you want. But unfortunately, there's also pro widgets, and you need to have the subscription for this app. As you can see, these are all the pro widgets, so they're paid, but there are lots of free ones that look very cool as well. So let's say I want to choose one from the gradients right here. So you have to look out for this sort of crown icon at the top right corner, because those are paid. But let's say I want this one right here. So I'm just gonna click on that and click on, you can either just set it immediately or you can edit it to your liking. And if we edit it, we can see that you can actually change the photo of this as well. You can change the colors a bit up, as you can see, the theme, and you can change the font. So let's see, I want this font, for example, and it will change. And yeah, you can change the photo, and once you've changed it to your liking, you can click on set widget, and it says follow the instructions. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now as well. So you'll just close out of the app and long hold on your screen. You want to click on the plus icon at the top left corner, and for me it already appears right here, as you can see. But if it does not appear for you, you can just search for color widgets, and as you can see, it will show up right here as well. But this is basically your widget, and you can choose which one you like. So I'm just going to choose this one right here, click on add widget, and it will just add it just like that. So now we have added the widget. Let's see what will happen if we edit it. It will just do that. So you can really edit it from here on out, but if you want to add another one, what you can do is go back to the app, and let's say we want to have this one right here. So you just click set widget, and it will just change just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.